So let's go and see how to add friends to a shortcut on Snapchat for the first time or add more people in an existing group later, which makes it easier for you to reach your favorite people quickly. So you can add people by two ways. First, while creating and then add people to an existing shortcut. So open the app. If you haven't created a shortcut, just go to the chat section, swipe right the top tabs, and then hit the new button. Select the friends to add in there. You're going to name the shortcut or this group, otherwise this can't be done. And then hit create shortcut. A separate tab will show up in the chat dashboard. To add more people in that shortcut, just go back to your new button once again. All your existing shortcut will appear in here. Just tap over the shortcut that you have created and then add people from your friends like before and then just hit save. Now another way to add people is when sending a snap to them. So open the camera. So let's say you took a snap and then hit send to. Now all the shortcuts will appear at the top. To add people in it, you can tap on the new button like before, and then you can either add people in the existing shortcut like we've shown you, or from here you can even create a new shortcut with new people, new group, and add people in it and send that snap to your newly created shortcut. Thanks for being with us.